how to check login activity on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can check your login activity on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to check your login activity on Snapchat, open the Snapchat application here, and then what you want to do is come to the profile page from the top left, then tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you're here, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the screen until you find an option known as Saved Login Info here. So tap the Save Login Info button, and here you should be able to see all the devices where your Snapchat account is logged in. If you don't recognize a certain device, just tap on the minus icon next to that device. Then just tap the option called Yes, delete the device, and that device will get successfully deleted. To give you an idea, this is how you can check your login activity on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.